In this video, we are going to present the input parameters within the Class 1 Weights Data tab. This is the second of the three subsections of the pre-design input module. This section contains all the data necessary to perform a low-fidelity weight estimation, also known as Class 1 weight estimation. All data can be set to default values, once the aircraft type has been selected, by clicking on the related button. Please watch the previous video in this playlist, to understand how to define the aircraft type. In addition, also in this case, the user can set each individual input parameter manually, by filling the text fields of the UI. Most of the input data have proper names, as suggested by the text field labels in the UI. For instance, you will find the single passenger mass, the aerodynamic efficiencies, and specific fuel consumption. All dimensional quantities have a drop-down list with the possible units. For each quantity, the value is automatically updated, according to the selected unit of measure. As explained in the previous video, you are not required to include either the alternate, or the holding phases, in the mission profile. Thus, if the related checkboxes in the Specifications tab are not checked, the related sections in the Class 1 weight data are disabled. Like no other preliminary weight estimation tool, the pre-design module of JPAD Modeller provides two different options. You can set the values of all aerodynamic efficiencies manually, or you can let the software calculate them. In this latter case, the calculate checkboxes must be checked. The airplane's aerodynamic efficiencies are automatically calculated from the aerodynamic drag polars, according to the assumptions explained in the info window. An info window opens up when you click on its info button. A more detailed explanation of how the drag polars are calculated will be the focus of another video tutorial.